I am Steve Lovis with Hunt the Truth Ministries. I'm here with my sister Pam Stever. We come out on a spring turkey hunt. It is the 8th of May, and we've been chasing around a little bit, going our separate ways, and we finally, this morning, both of us ended up coming out together. We were chasing them with I had my bow and arrow this morning, and she had her shotgun. And as you can see, we were successful. We had a couple of times come in behind this one and kind of circling around, and I was waiting on them when this one came right up to the decoy and started gonna maybe fight with it or whatever. And so we kind of waited on it. I was able to, adjust pretty good and wait for her to take the shot.
Yeah, we were both ready to shoot, just to make sure that we got it one way or another. So I was waiting for him to give me the okay. And it was pretty close. We're like, what, 12?
Yeah, about 12 paces from the blind. We were both sitting in a pop-up blind, mare stuff. And maybe tell a little bit about the shot.
Well, I had the gun up, and then I got tired, and so I put it back down a little bit, and then pulled it back up, and my brother Steve said, go ahead and shoot. So I shot, and I was aimed at the red part, but it went a little lower, and pretty much blasted its beard half off.
Half off.
So we measured 8 inches of hair that I still have, and we decided to come back out and search for some more of the beard.
We've been searching for the last 10 minutes, finding parts of the beard that we were able to, we'll just glue them on later to get the whole story, the whole beard.
It's got about 7/8 inch beard, or spurs, 7/8 inch spurs, and a nice tom. So it was a fun hunt, exciting. I was shaking to death, of course, and laughing.
Yeah. Yeah, it was neat. Very neat.
So.
All right. Well, we're gonna go back after him. So stay tuned, and we'll have more to come.
Thanks.